Hey guys! Ever wondered about the secret life of paper and pens? No? Well, buckle up because I'm about to blow your mind with some seriously fun facts. Let's start with paper. You might think, it's just a flat, boring thing I scribble on, but oh boy, it has a wild past. Once upon a time, in a forest far, far away, trees were living their best tree lives. But then, humans showed up and were like, hey, you'd make great paper. First, they chopped down the trees. Yes, it's a little sad, but hang on, it gets better. The trees get turned into wood chips, which are then cooked until they're a mushy, pulpy mess. Picture a giant tree smoothie. Next, we drain all the water and, ta-da, we've got a big sheet of paper. Of course, it's not quite ready for your doodles yet. It needs to be pressed, dried, and sometimes even ironed. Yes, like a very fancy shirt. Now let's talk about pens. Ever wonder how that magical ink gets inside? It's like trying to figure out how toothpaste gets into the tube. First, we need plastic. Lots of plastic. Think of a giant vat of melted plastic goo that's then squished into pen shapes. It's like making cookies, but way less delicious. Once the pen body is ready, it's time for the ink. They mix all these weird chemicals together and boom, ink! This magical potion is then injected into the pen tube. It's like a tiny science experiment happening right under your nose. But wait, there's more. The tiny ball at the tip of a ballpoint pen? That's a little marvel of engineering. It's made of tungsten carbide. Fancy, right? It spins around and picks up ink and then rolls it onto your paper. It's like a tiny, inky dance party happening every time you write. And there you have it. The secret life of paper and pens, unmasked. Next time you're scribbling away, take a moment to appreciate the journey your tools have been through. Who knew such everyday things could be so fascinating? If you loved this deep dive into the hidden world of your favorite stationery, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more quirky, fun facts. Until next time, keep being curious and keep creating. Catch you later, DIY enthusiasts.